Hello everyone, welcome to my garden channel. My name is István, but as you can call me Steve, the gardener, as you wish, of course. Currently I live in Europe, Hungary, in a city nearby the capital of Hungary, Budapest. So, I would like to introduce myself a little bit and the reason why I create this channel. Welcome to my garden channel. Anyway, I love spending time here. I grow vegetables, herbs, flowers, and enjoy watching the plants growing. So, as you know, I am not a professional gardener. I just do it for fun and just for hobby. And I also want to improve my English as well. That's why I started this YouTube channel. In my videos, I have a plan to show you my garden, and I will speak in English. My English is not so perfect, but that's okay. I'm learning, and maybe you are too. It is a perfect opportunity to improve it and hopefully give you some positive feedback as well. But let's see. The climate here is continental. The typical summer season, June, July, August, is hot and mostly dry. The temperature is usually more than 30 Celsius. The winter season is sometimes cold, but not so cold. The temperature is a little bit below 0 Celsius. What does it mean? It means some flowers don't tolerate this kind of cold weather, so you need to find a warm place to survive this winter season. The plants I grow depend on the seasons. Right now I'm growing some trees, for example cherry, apple, plum and sour cherry, and some herbs too. I hope you enjoy my video and maybe learn something too about gardening or English. If you like it, please subscribe and join me on this journey. Thank you so much for your watching, and by the way, end of this video, I would like to ask you if you have any comments or recommendation, or would like to know something about my country or my garden or my plants or anything, please comment below this the video in the comment section, and see you soon in the next video, hopefully. Bye bye.